You get all kinds of motorcycles coming to our class, as do all the Ride Like a Pro franchises. Don't have to have a Harley. Works on every motorcycle. It's a BMW Adventure Tourer. I think it's a 1200. Very nimble motorcycle. Due to the short wheelbase and short rake, it's more nimble, quite a bit more nimble than the Harley. And as you can see here, the Harley does it just fine. We've got these turns at 24 feet now. I think by the end of the class, I'm going to get these riders down to 18-foot turns. That's a pretty good accomplishment for just a few hours.